We all know getting a tan is one of the things to do in the summer. To plants, however, it's their most optimal time to grow and produce food that we eat throughout our lives. Plants don't care about us getting vitamin D from the sun since they need the sunlight to produce glucose for themselves. It does this with chloroplasts, enabling the plant to capture sunlight efficiently. This is why you don't see plants with sunburn that often. But what if we could use chloroplasts to our advantage? Could this counteract our sunburn? Could it even possibly make food for ourselves? Well, hold up. First, let's understand chloroplasts. All plants contain this organelle in their cells. Like mitochondria, chloroplasts have an inner and outer membrane and contain thylakoids inside the bilayer, which are flat pouches that are connected to one another. A stack of those are called a granum, and the fluid that fills the rest of the organelle is called the stroma, which contains the DNA of the chloroplasts, ribosomes, and many other enzymes. The most important function of this organelle is to be able to absorb light in order to create light energy for the creation of glucose for that particular plant. But it also helps absorb water and carbon dioxide, as well as releasing oxygen and providing glucose for us. This is why chloroplasts are mostly located in the leaf part of the plant. Since leaves have a larger surface area, this enables the plant to absorb the most amount of water and carbon dioxide given from the environment. So where does this absorbed stuff go? Well, luckily, plants have large vacuoles to store this. Like humans storing glycogen into the liver, plants store their energy created from chloroplasts into their own vacuole. This enables the cell to have enough energy to grow and to maintain its longevity, which also allows the plant itself to grow and maintain its longevity as well. So back to the original question. Can humans have chloroplasts? Well, maybe. Think of it as like a hybrid car. A hybrid car has two ways in order to run: electric or gas. Both can run the car well, but running the car on electricity only allows the car to go up a certain speed. Gasoline, however, allows the car to go as fast as the engine allows. This same concept can be applied to humans with chloroplasts. Similar to the limited capabilities a hybrid car has with running on electricity, plants do not have as much functions as us mammals do. This is the reason why plants and trees can grow so huge and tall with just photosynthesis. If we had chloroplasts, even more energy would be needed to maintain the status of the cell, since it would be larger to compensate for the additional organelle. When wintertime arrives, it would be very rare for you to use the organelle, since less sunlight would be available for you to absorb. In other words, for you to absorb the maximum amount of sunlight, you would have to stand outside in the cold weather without any clothes on for the whole day. And keep in mind, you'll also be green due to the pigment. So is your option. Although you may not get sunburn in the summer for being out in the sun for too long, you may have to spend a couple $100 more on food during the winter. Or you can just continue to be you.